wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a video on the foundations you are going to catch me wearing this summer. It's that time, you know, people are making that transition. If you do have to make transitions between foundations you wear when it's colder to foundations you wear when it's warmer. So if you guys want to know what I'll be wearing, let's go. First up, this Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Serum Foundation in the shade 22N. I have not put this down since I picked it up. Just how it looks on the face, how it wears on the face, the shade match. Yes, this is what I have on my face right now. It's just gonna be that girl of the summer, especially when you wear it with the Yummy Skin Serum Primer that comes with it. It's giving all the things that you want in summers. You know, summer. You're gonna see more glowy makeup, you're gonna see more bronze makeup tutorials, but I have oily skin, so I still need something that even if it's not matte, it's still gonna hold up well on my face, especially after I use it in combination with all the other products on my face. So this one right here, a banger for the summer. The next foundation I'll be wearing all summer is the new NARS Light Reflecting Foundation in the shade Deep 3. I had some trouble picking between this one and Sheer Glow. I mean, NARS just doesn't really miss when it comes to foundation, John. So you could really put, actually, this slot is just reserved for all NARS foundations because there's this one, there's Sheer Glow, there's the Soft Matte, which again, oily skin. So we're just gonna put all NARS foundations in this slot right here. I was gonna specifically point out this one, but I'll probably be picking the other ones up too. Like I said, they just do it when it comes to foundation. And again, their foundations, even the Soft Matte, like the finish that they give on the face is very natural, very skin, and that's what I want to give in the summer. You know, I woke up like this. No, I didn't take 30 minutes to do my face. I woke up like this. That's what their foundations give, so definitely foundations to pick up during the summer. Now, I definitely do want to pick up some more skin tints to try out. I feel like last year, or maybe it was the year before that, like I say all the time, like ever since this pandemic started, I really don't remember time anymore. I don't remember when things happen. I'll see things and I'll say like it happened in 2019. I'm like, what? That didn't happen a month ago. But I definitely do want to pick up some more skin tints. For right now, I think the only skin tint I have is this Fenty skin tint in the shade 21 is the Easy Drop Blurring Skin Tint. Love this skin tint. My second favorite complexion product from Fenty, the powder foundation, would be the first. I guess we could also like honorable mention in here. I love the finish of this. I like how it looks on the face. Also, since it's summer, like people are off, maybe, I don't know what you're, but you know, like that's when people start taking more vacation stuff like this. So I love this one because it's easy to travel with, because the tube, you know, it's not shattering anything, it's not too big, it's not bulky, anything like that. So this also makes it very travel friendly for this time of the year. So definitely had to include this one in this video. The next one is one I've been mentioning a lot ever since I tried it for the first time last year. That is the Givenchy Prism Libre, which I just saw they came out with a matte version. It's always my luck. Like I try things as soon as they come out, which is, you know, that's part of the job. And then like they come out with another version. I'm like, I probably would have been better off with that other version. So I saw there's a matte version of this now, so I'm definitely gonna try that one out. But I like this glow version already, so you know, maybe they just make bangers when it comes to this collection. Again, just everything that I'm mentioning here, love on the face, love how it wears. This one, you know, I might need a little more elbow grease when it comes to making sure it works with my oily skin as far as how much it holds up during the day. But once I do, it holds up during the day, so I don't really have any complaints with this one. Definitely gonna be picking this up during the summer. I just like how lightweight it is on the face. I hate feeling makeup on my face whatsoever, especially when you're layering. It's hot outside, you're sweating and stuff like that, so like the lighter the better for me. And the last one I actually didn't pick up again until I did that foundation declutter, but I'm glad I kept it because I was this close to decluttering it in that video. But then I tried it again. I was like, you know what, this is why you gotta give things second chances. That is the Sephora Best Skin Ever foundation. I feel like a lot of the foundations that I showed in this video are either, you know, they're meant to give you a glow finish or just a natural finish. So I need one that's like, we're gonna give you more of a matte finish, because you know, depending on the face, like y'all know I like late 90s, early 2000s aesthetic, like everything, makeup, hair, style, stuff like that. So like the matte 90s, 2000s baddie face, that face is, listen, she's a contender. Okay, so matte face isn't always that bad, so I had to throw one in there that's going to be a little more of a matte finish so I can get that look if I want to, and it's probably like the best option as far as keeping up on my face for the skin type that I have, while also not being too heavy, also being something that I can't feel on the face, anything like that. So I had to throw this one in there because she is also a banger. I'm sorry I slept on you. Oh, this is in the shade 59, and I don't think I said which shade I tried Givenchy in. That is in the shade N480. It'll be linked in the description down below. And yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. I just wanted to do a quick video on what foundations I'll be picking up this summer, which ones and why. You know, I feel like they're best to break out during this time of the year. Let me know in the comments down below what foundations you'll be gravitating towards. I feel like I need like one more like really matte foundation for those days where, you know, the weather is going to be like 90, stuff like that. But honestly, I'm also at the age where I'm just not gonna wear makeup on those days. You guys saw last year, I was very much so team concealer on my face and go. So I feel like that's what I'll do on days like that, which is probably another reason why I didn't really gravitate for matte foundations, but I still feel like I should have one in rotation just in case. So let me know in the comments down below, especially, you know, my friends that live closer to the equator, like what do y'all do on those hot days? Like what foundations are you reaching for? Let me know. And I hope seeing some of mine has given you some thoughts and recommendations if you needed any. So make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that guessware down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.